Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if the password is incorrect, okay, and if you type something, if you forget the passcode, right, you can easily reset it. So what you need to do is you need to choose forget passcode. Okay, come to forget passcode. If you have forgotten your passcode, you can reset it by selecting reset passcode. You will be signed out. You will then need to sign in again and set a new one. So reset the passcode. It's now signing out. I need to re-log in. So press this PS button. As we have given the forget passcode, we need to sign in. You can use your PS app or you can sign in manually. Provide your user ID and password, then sign in. So guys, successfully I have reset the passcode. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the new passcode. Okay, do not forget it. So I'm going to give this 4444. I'm just using the button. Again, I'm going to enter the new passcode. Again, re-verification 4444. Okay, now you can connect. So now tap to play. That's it, friends. If you want to remove the passcode again, right, so just slide down and then go to settings. If you want to remove the passcode, right, go to system and here go to passcode and delete your passcode. So you need to enter the current passcode, then only you will be able to delete it. So that's it, friends. Now you can delete your passcode as well. So if you give OK, right, it will be removed completely. If you want to set again, you can set it. So that's it, friends. I hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care, friends.